This is a 154 of Zohar Pshat, 1 Daf Yud Ches Amud Aleph, Zohar Kodesh, at the paragraph which begins with Yom Elokim, a little more than halfway down the page. The water was to collect in order that there should be dry earth. Orakav. So it's based on a reference I saw to Pikra Rabbi Lezer. It seems that initially the water was all in one straight line, meaning that the land underneath was uniform as well. And then when Kodesh Baruch Hu wanted to create the revealed land, so then there became upheavals in which the land someplace became lower for the water to gather there, and higher for there to be dry land over there. So it was a flat land beneath the water, then water on top. That became like this. The land became like this. So there's a collection of water here and dry land over here. So initially everything's barakav. L'mevi barak mishor. So everything should get should be have an equidistant, I guess, relationship to the Lomas Yonim, to the Shefa. And that's how it came down. Because everything came down from that primeval Nakuda, which we talked about earlier. Navi Kula Bestimu. Everything came down in a hidden way. The Matzi Viskanashti Cha Ilah. And so everything came down to the highest Heichel, meaning the highest place. Obviously, Heichel is already a place, a manifestation of the Shekhinah in this world. The Dira is this Heichal, and Shamayim is the initial manifestation of that, from which will come down the Shefa to create an actual Tachtoinim, right? We're going because back history, so we're to earlier in the Bria. So create Heichal Ilah. And from there, initially, the Shefa came down to this world in an equal manner to all places. Until it came to a certain place where it gathered its entirety, including both the masculine and the feminine. And what is that? That's obviously we're talking about Chai Almin. As being the midah of Yesoid, where the Shefa comes down from on high, down here to below. So there's the water which came from above, from the, it came down to below, from above, from the Heilah, from the Hay above, mitachas hashamayim, right? It came down to underneath the heavens, and Vav Ze'ira, the small Vav. I don't think there's actually a small Vav in the way it's in the pasuk, and I'm not sure which Vav we're talking about anyway. But because I think it's the Vav of Yikavu, one of the, but I don't think Yikavu is one of the small Vav. Either there was a small Vav. But that's the point. There are two Vavs here. The question is what the two Vavs represent, right? Yikavu, right? So Yikavu Mayim is mitachas hashamayim, right? So it comes from Hashamayim el makom echad, to one place, and there it happened. The Shefa comes down from the Vadav Vav chad shamayim chad mitachas shamayim, comes down from heaven to underneath heaven. Kedain, and then the Teireh Yabashah, the land will be seen. Adah Heitata. So it's interesting why here we have a double vav, but I guess it's saying the double process. The first process is that it comes down in a way which is uniform, right? And it comes down in Makom Echad, but then they have another vav because it gets distributed in a way like the Pikra Rabbi Lezer describes, that Seirei Yabashah, things become unequal. And the Shefa becomes differentiated when it reaches here below at this point. Do Heitata, Do is Gale, because Shari is Kase. And just like the water went one place and land another place, so too the Shefa, which comes down in a revealed way in some places and a concealed way in other places. And this, I saw somewhere in one of the Freshman Chumash, I think it was in the Netziv, reference to Nes of Teva. I'm not sure if it's direct in this context, but in this pasuk, you can take a look there. But in any event, the idea is there's Hanhaga Gluya, Hanhaga Stuma. Just like there's revealed land and concealed land, which is underneath the water now because some land is underneath, some land is on top. So too, there's revealed Hashgacha and concealed Hashgacha. Things which were equal, so to speak, till now become partially revealed and partially concealed. So till you had this land water divergence, you didn't have the divergence of that which is revealed and that which is concealed either. Again, dois gali v'chol shar iskase, umiko hai basra. Out of this last one, ishtama b'suchlusanu, you find it is derived with wisdom. How the iskase el makom echad. This is that which is concealed goes to one place. Begin the hacha hukshur dichuda the almi law, because here's the connection with the higher world. A fascinating thing. The revealed hanaga is teva. The concealed hanaga is nes. So in essence, the areas under the water. And I don't think the Zohar is to be taken as literal. I think it means symbolically, but in any event, the areas underwater are a place where the concealed shefa exists, and that concealed shefa is the higher levels, which are not going to be revealed in this world. And the revealed land represents the higher, the lower, the lower kanhaga, which is teva, which is revealed. Like he says, you need suchlasanu, you need and out of this later differentiation, you can hear that which is wisdom is considered because it's concealed and makam echad, right? It goes to that place. It's called makam echad because the pasuk says the makam echad is the place of achdus, the place where there's unity between Shemaim and Oretz, which is a place of the more powerful and miraculous connection that's concealed under the water. What's revealed? What's revealed is the teva, the abosha, which does not have, so to speak, that shefa of mayim representing kedusha in a revealed way. So a very powerful statement here the Zohar is making, that the idea is that yes, we have to understand, but we see is just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. There's a tremendous amount of shefa which is concealed from our eye. It can be revealed b'suchlasanu. Only by understanding more deeply what the Bria is about, that we can understand that there's a hanhaga which is uniformly miraculous and divine and above and beyond us, for which we tap into somehow, which Zohar's not discussing how, but requires a special perspective in order to see that it's there, like kind of so Yikavu means it's a double vav, two levels of connection. The lower level of connection is one in which there's already that differentiation, so then the primary Hanhaga is concealed, only very little of the Hanhaga is revealed, and we have to try and understand there's much more than meets the eye. Okay, that's enough for today.